welcome to another video. Sometimes back I introduced this car, this one. I don't know if you can see it. This one. It's called Pexi, by the way. It's a 96 Corolla. It's basically just a bone stock Corolla. Stock meaning it from the factory. As you can see, I've really tried to make it look young. It's like a 30-year-old car. So today I am here with my cousin, this one, this one, and and that one. So this video I'm going to try to make it even look younger. The car, not me, the car. So I wanted to try something. I wanted to wrap this car. I called a company in Kenya and they quoted me 30,000 to wrap this car plain color, and I was like, no, nobody has 30,000. Do you have 30,000? Yeah. Okay. When I was talking about the wrap, I don't know if you've seen those cars on Instagram who have wraps like CAMO wraps, and the other ones with some oblique shapes on their wraps. I don't know if I can relate. I'll probably plug a picture right here and show you what I'm talking about. So I thought about that, and so I thought if I could replicate it using a vinyl. You know, the car is basically white, so if I had a black vinyl with my oblique shapes, they would come out in that type of way. Yeah. So that is what I'm trying to do today. I don't know how it's going to turn out, so please just bear with me. Thank you. So let's see what we have today on our workbench. What you need to do, whatever I'm going to try to do, a marker, masking tape, 2 squeegees, they're very important, some blades. In this case I have surgical blades, so yeah, they're just good blades, a cloth, microfiber, whatever you prefer, some scissors for cutting the vinyl, and the main event, the vinyl itself. It's actually cut by this company called Best Pro. They gave me a sticker, so they sponsored that, the cutting of that, so my first sponsorship. So I'm really proud. So yeah, basically that is what you need. So next I'm going to switch you to the time lapse, and actually I'm going to show you how I'm going to start out, and then switch you off to the time lapse. Being your vinyl, you have your abstract shapes or whatever shapes you want. It can be CAMO or any other shapes. I went with the oblique shapes. I know you can't see them now, but I'm going to peel one so that you can see the reference in which I'm talking about. So yeah, watch this. So I have one shape that is under this region, and using my scalpel I'm going to take it out. This is what I was talking about, the abstract shapes, and this is what looks when it's applied. So there is that shape I put there, there is that one I put there, and this one I just applied there. I don't know if you can get the bigger picture, but that is what it's turning into. Yeah, I know. So bear with me. I think I'm going to start the time lapse right now. So yeah.
You got
So an update, I managed to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the vinyl. So yeah, that is the progress. I don't know how it's coming along. It looks good. So let me continue. I think I'll put you back on the time lapse. So hey guys, after long hours of work, I finally finished it. I don't know how I'd say it looks, but for me it's good the way it is. So and here's how it looks. So basically what is left to do is remove the stickers. Like there is this sticker. Let me show you that. This is the Best Pro sticker. I chose to put it here. I should have put it on the side, but it looks good here. So remove the sticker. Oh no. Easy. Okay, slowly. Okay, spill that. One by one, eh? Okay, so I have really debated on this, so I chose to put this sticker right here on the edge of the hood. So let me put that. So here. And there, back seat. So I'm basically done. Honestly speaking, I'm really happy with the results. Let's get this out of there. Yeah, it's something I really want, and yeah, I've had this idea for so long, so it makes sense. But it looks good now that it's in front of me. But so guys, please, if you really like trying to do something like this, please have somebody. It literally took me like 3 hours to get finished with this, so please just have somebody by you. And another one, please check out Best Pro. I think I'll leave a link on the description. Best Pro are guys who deal in vinyl cutting and sign designs. They really helped me out on this, so please check them out. And yeah, leave a like, subscribe. Yeah, leave a like and subscribe. See you on the next one.